Number 1.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $8,699, that has been driven only 59,000 miles. It comes equipped with a dependable 2.0L naturally aspirated inline 4SOHC 8-valve gasoline engine, paired with a smooth and responsive 4-speed automatic transmission that ensures a comfortable and effortless driving experience. The truck features an eye-catching red exterior complemented by a clean and practical gray interior, creating a balance between style and functionality. Designed with both utility and comfort in mind, this Ranger XLT offers a spacious cabin that provides ample room for passengers, making it suitable for daily commuting as well as longer drives. The automatic transmission enhances ease of use, especially in urban traffic, while the efficient engine delivers reliable performance for light-duty work and everyday tasks. In addition, the sturdy and well-built truck bed increases its practicality, allowing it to handle hauling needs with confidence.
Number 2.
1993 Nissan Hardbody, price $4,900, has been driven approximately 170,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior that pairs nicely with a gray interior, giving the truck a classic and simple look. Powered by a gasoline engine, the vehicle is reported to run reliably and performs well both for daily use and light-duty work. One of its standout features is the ice-cold air conditioning, ensuring a comfortable cabin even in hot weather conditions. In addition, the truck has been upgraded with an aftermarket audio system complete with a radio and subwoofers, providing a more enjoyable in-car entertainment experience. The tires are in good condition, contributing to its smooth ride quality, and overall, the vehicle rides and drives well without any major issues reported. This Nissan Hardbody also comes with a clean title in hand, making the ownership transfer process simple and hassle-free.
Number 3.
1990 Ford F250, price $10,000, is a well-preserved diesel truck with 68,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in a classic white exterior paired with a brown interior. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3L IDI diesel engine, known for its durability and simplicity. The fuel system was thoroughly serviced, including draining the fuel tanks and replacing the fuel lines, injector pump, injector lines, and all 8 injectors. In addition, all hoses and belts were replaced, fresh coolant and engine oil were added, and the transmission was flushed to maintain smooth operation. The truck also received a complete suspension overhaul along with a new set of tires, improving ride quality and handling. Notable updates include replacing the original mechanical lift pump with a modern electric lift pump for more consistent fuel delivery, as well as converting the glow plug system to a manual push-button setup, giving the operator greater control during cold starts.
Number 4.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, is a well-preserved classic pickup that stands out for its condition and low mileage, showing only 68,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and finished in a rich burgundy exterior, complemented by a striking red interior that enhances its vintage appeal. This model features a long cab and long bed configuration, making it both practical and versatile for hauling or everyday use. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 5.7L engine paired with rear-wheel drive, delivering solid performance and a dependable driving experience. The truck runs and drives great, reflecting careful ownership over the years, and it has been fitted with new tires to ensure readiness for the road. Importantly, the vehicle is free from rust and remains very clean for its age, highlighting its well-maintained condition.
Number 5.
1994 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,000, with 152,000 miles and an automatic transmission.
This gasoline-powered truck comes in green with a tan interior and is described as being in great condition for its age. It runs strong, featuring the classic 318 engine, and its 4x4 system performs very well. The interior is nearly perfect, while the exterior paint shows some fading in certain areas. Within the last 2,000 miles, the vehicle has received several updates, including a new battery, tires, alternator, exhaust system, radio, and all new speakers, which adds to its reliability and overall value. The truck's key features include its dependable V8 performance, functional four-wheel drive capability, recently updated mechanical components, and well-maintained interior condition, all contributing to a solid and capable classic pickup. There are a few minor drawbacks: a small tear in the passenger side headliner near the mirror, a crack in the center of the dashboard, common for this generation, and a non-functioning driver's power seat motor. Number 6.
1989 Ford F250, price $8,900, single cab long bed equipped with a 7.3L diesel engine, a manual transmission, and a 4x4 drivetrain, making it a reliable and capable truck for both work and off-road use. It comes with the Lariat package, offering added comfort and features. The odometer currently reads 55,326 miles, but it is believed to have rolled over and the actual mileage is approximately 155,326 miles. The truck is reported to run, drive, and shift smoothly, indicating that the drivetrain is in good working condition. The 4x4 system functions properly, enhancing its versatility in different terrains. It is fitted with tires that are like new, providing good traction and longevity. The air conditioning system blows ice cold, while the heater operates effectively, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. The vehicle has a clean title, making it ready for transfer to a new owner.
Number 7. 1985 GMC 1500, price $5,800, with around 130,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, powered by a gasoline 350 V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission. The truck comes with key features such as power windows and locks, a tilt steering wheel, factory radio, and an upgraded R134A air conditioning system. Combining comfort with vintage appeal, it has a well-preserved patina protected by a clear coat and is reported to be rust-free. Sitting on 15x8 rally wheels with white wall tires, it also includes extra parts like a factory seat, additional door panels, and a spare red driver's side door. The truck has been sitting and likely needs a fuel pump, though the engine runs when fuel is added directly to the carburetor. Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet S10, price $8,900. It is equipped with a 4.3L engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. The vehicle features a cold air conditioning system and a properly functioning heater, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions.
It comes with a clean title, and its emissions are valid until June.
Overall, its key features, including the strong engine performance, automatic convenience, efficient climate control, and well-documented status, make it a practical and trustworthy option for everyday use.
Number 9.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,895, powered by a V8 5.7L 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven approximately 212,000 miles and runs on gasoline. The vehicle comes in a white exterior with a gray interior, reflecting its original style and character. The engine and transmission are in good working condition, performing well for its age. As a 33-year-old classic truck, it does have some normal cosmetic wear and tear, which is expected. It carries a clean California title, and the registration plates recently expired in March 2026. Overall, it remains a solid and reliable classic pickup with authentic vintage appeal.
Number 10.
1996 Ford F250, price $4,000. It has been driven approximately 1,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a V8 gasoline engine, and a fully functional 4x4 system. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior. The vehicle runs and drives, with a strong transmission, cold air conditioning, good tires, and a solid body and frame. However, the engine currently has a miss and reduced power, which is likely due to a minor issue such as needing a tune-up, spark plugs, wires, or coil replacement. Overall, the truck presents itself as a capable and reliable vehicle with key features including its low mileage, automatic transmission, working 4x4 system, V8 engine, and well-maintained condition.